What's up, guys? It's Dan again from Crypto Camacho. Hey, I want to talk about a gem today. Say is a massive gem that I think has the potential to do at least 10x, maybe 20x. This is not financial advice, but I think this one is a winner. And you'll see why here in just a moment. Check it out. Redefining blockchain speed and scalability. Let's jump right in. This one has a huge infrastructure behind it, has hundreds of thousands of users, has massive institutional adoption already, massive institutional partnerships with some of the biggest names in crypto. And I think this one is going to take us for a ride in this bull run. Let's jump right into SEI. What is SEI? So redefine blockchain speed and scalability. SEI is recognized as the fastest layer one blockchain, setting new benchmarks in blockchain performance and scalability, supporting multiple execution environments, including the innovative parallelized Ethereum virtual machine. All right, this is interesting. It's saying it's the fastest layer one blockchain. A lot of them say that, but this one has a ton of support behind it. I mean, who remembers IOTA? Who knows BSV, right? Who knows Solana? All these different blockchains are claiming to be the fastest. Is SEI really the fastest? Well, let's see. I mean, there's tons of users and institutions that think so. So I think this one has a ton of potential any way you look at it. So let's just jump right in. All right, SEI's manifesto: build the best infrastructure for digital asset exchange. SEI's mission is to empower the future where decentralized exchanges and centralized applications have comparable user experiences. SEI uniquely combines Web 2-like performance with the decentralization and sovereignty of Web 3. It's almost like they're building on top to build this infrastructure to allow transactions and staking and all this different things, right? Ruthless optimization. SEI's ongoing design and iteration is both rapid and pragmatic by design. Upgrades to SEI are driven purely by solving real user and developer problems. By building in public with fully open source code, that's pretty cool. SEI believes this contribution can help both move the entire crypto space forward. So check this out. Look at all these backers by SEI. It says SEI is supported by a network of esteemed backers who recognize the potential of SEI's innovative blockchain technology, bringing expertise and resources that enrich SEI's institutional offerings. Look at this. They have Coinbase. They have Multicoin Capital, Delphi Capital, HRT. They have, it's actually repeating, Jump. They have a lot of different ones. I'll show you down below. They have a little bit more. Let's take a quick look at their roadmap. SEI's roadmap is a testament to its commitment to continuous innovation and expansion. Each milestone is aimed at delivering unparalleled blockchain performance, from advancing core technology to broadening the ecosystem. Let's jump down to H1 2021. It's been around since 2021, so it's been around for about 3.5 years, a long time, right? The idea for SEI is born in the first half of 2021. So it's an established cryptocurrency. It's an established company. It's been around for some time, has a bunch of backers and users and so forth. Following the infamous GameStop saga, if you remember the GME, co-founder Jay left his position at Robinhood to found a decentralized alternative to Robinhood, and he quickly discovered that the layer one blockchain infrastructure at the time was not scalable or performant, right? So he sought to innovate and to scale the blockchain, okay? Fundraising. He's raised a ton of money to get this started in H2 2022. They developed a public testnet in H1 of 2023, where the world got its first hands on SEI's technology for the first time in 2023. And then in 2023, second half, mainnet beta was launched, right? So mainnet beta for SEI was launched in 2023, a little while back, right? And then now in H1 2024, the first half of 2024, the first parallelized Ethereum virtual machine is proposed, right? In response to developer and user demand and in recognition of glaring scalability issues facing Ethereum developers, SEI Labs develops and proposes an upgrade to SEI, the first parallelized EVM blockchain. So they have a lot of backers. They have a ton of interest. Look at this real quick. I want to just show you on Twitter. They have 673,000 followers, right? That's not insignificant. That is many people who are backing SEI, right? On Discord, they have 585,000 members, 20,000 of them are online right now. Telegram, they have 41,000 members, 3,000 of them are online right now. And it just goes on and on. They have a GitHub repository where they have 38 repositories. They probably have a ton of commits. I haven't looked at the commits, but ton of commits, all open source code, all right here. You can explore for yourself. They have a Java SDK, so forth and so on. So folks can start developing on this very, very quickly. And then, if you just look at what people are saying about SEI, ETF news, ETF giant Grayscale introduces a new crypto fund called the Grayscale Dynamic Income Fund. Starting assets, SEI is in there, right? And if you kind of keep going down the list, you'll see a bunch of different kind of positive news for SEI. A lot of people saying that it's going to blow up, all this stuff about SEI. So SEI is definitely poised. They even have a media kit. They have a media kit here where you can grab templates, logos, whatever you want to start actually marketing behind SEI. So they're doing it right. They have a document portal right here that explains kind of everything SEI. You can go through, look at the token standard, look at all the different ways that you can use their open source code, and all the different things that SEI can actually do. If you go to getting started, it'll explain kind of the more technical setup of this, which I'm not going to go into right now. And then they have a whole, I don't even know what SEI Marines are, but this is just kind of another, why become a SEI Marine? It's like it's an ambassador program is what it looks like. So they have it. Yeah, it is. It's an ambassador program. SEI Marines empowers the passionate supporters of SEI, providing a dynamic platform to foster personal growth and elevate the SEI ecosystem. So they're onboarding folks to start, becoming their marketing army, which is quite interesting as well, right? And a ton of resources to do that, translated in multiple languages. These folks are definitely backed by heavy bags, by a lot of money, by a lot of VC funds and so forth. So expect this one to pump pretty good, pretty nicely. Okay. Here's the white paper. I'm not going to jump into it too much. It's fairly extensive, but you can jump into the white paper. It'll show you exactly how the infrastructure works. It'll tell you how the tokenomics work. It'll kind of go through the whole shebang, right, with SEI. And they even have, this is one thing that I think is pretty cool. They have a staking app. So let me jump up to the top. Earn a stable yield by staking your SEI. So if you have SEI, you could earn a 4.26% APR on that SEI, and that's going up. It actually has gone up pretty recently. You could actually, earn quite a bit of a return if you stake SEI on this staking platform here. So let's quickly jump over into the chart. So SEI has had a dip. The crypto markets have just recently dipped. They're dipping literally right now as we speak. Bitcoin just went to its all-time high, and everything is now starting to fall down a bit. SEI is no exception. I think this is an ideal spot to get in. You might want to wait just a tad bit, smidgen longer to get in, but this chart is looking pretty ripe. Down at like 7.5, 7.2. I expect this to have a pretty nice bounce back and definitely, jump up above $1 here pretty soon. So this is a really good one to watch. Again, here's the 1 week. Let's jump back to the 1 week real quick. Sorry. Volume has gone down a bit after this initial pump and surge, but I don't think we're done yet. I do not think we're done at all. So it's all the way up, 74 cents, but keep a very close eye on SEI. I think it's going to be a big one. I think it's going to be a winner. And I think you should check this one out if you want to multiply your cryptocurrency earnings and get a great return on investment. I'm Dan, Crypto Camacho. Let me know what you think of SEI. Let me know if you think it has potential. I mean, even just the user base alone is extremely, extremely impressive. And I think this is going somewhere. So let me know what you think. I'm going to be holding some SEI, and we will see in the coming months where we go and how we perform. See you guys.